Hello everyone. So today I am going to show you the complete digital makeover which I have made in my Ignis. So before proceeding, कुछ बात मेरे Ignis के बारे में. ये Ignis 6.5 years old है और मैंने इसको ख़रीदा था 2017 में. This is the first batch of Ignis. तो since it is 6.5 years old, तो पिछले कुछ महीनों से मेरे दिमाग में ये चल रहा था कि should I go for a new car. But before proceeding to buy a new car, I thought why not explore the possibilities that कि मैं इसी कार में कुछ अच्छे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स और गैजेट्स लगा सकूं ताकि जो फीचर वाइज थिंग इज़ मिसिंग इन दिस कार, ओल्ड कार, that won't be there and I can continue to use it for another few years. So because mechanically there is no problem with the car, so let's go into the car and I'll show you what exactly I have made changes. But before doing that, I wanted to show you how the car looks like before and how it is looking now. So here is the video how the car looks previously. So this is the condition of my dashboard right now. ये है Ignis Sigma का वही ओल्ड वाला स्पीडोमीटर, यहाँ पे RPM मीटर नहीं आता, एंड मोबाइल होल्डर, एंड इसके पीछे है इसका कंसोल. बट these things are not looking good. You can see this is kind of loosened. तो इसको क्या करना पड़ता है कि इसके पीछे जो स्क्रू है बार बार मुझे इसको टाइट करना पड़ता है. दिस इज़ द प्रॉब्लम. एंड दिस इज़ अ रियर व्यू कैमरा फीड. तो once I put this mobile holder here, so this is kind of partially blocking, and इस मोबाइल को ऑपरेट करने में भी प्रॉब्लम होता है बिकॉज द स्क्रीन इज स्मॉल एंड मैं ड्राइवर पोजीशन से जब भी मैं इसको एक्सेस करने जाता हूँ तो आई नीड टू कंसंट्रेट कि मैं कहाँ पे क्लिक कर रहा हूँ. सो दैट इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम. एंड वो जो मेंटर्स का जो ऐड आता है कि दिस इज़ काइंड ऑफ ए आर्म डैशबोर्ड, बट आई एम गोइंग टू ट्रांसफॉर्म दिस. तो सबसे पहले ये GoPro को अपनी जगह पे लगा देता हूँ. लेट इट बी फिक्स हियर. गुड. And now I can show you what are the key changes I have done in this car. So basically there are 3 screens. One is this is the main infotainment system. Another one is this is the speedometer console, and third one is the rear view stuff, rear view mirror of the screens. Total there are 3 screens. So let's start with this main console. So as you can see, this is a tablet look-alike, but this is actually a tablet. I can show you by detaching this. Like, okay, let me just switch it on. So this is actually a tablet, and I can even detach it from the system. Here it is. So if you look here, this is the tablet case, and I have pasted this on the existing infotainment system frame. So the original one that is behind, I can show you that as well. That is quite a easy task to pull this out. So this is the original system. It does have a backside camera, but the problem is if I put this new tablet here, then I cannot see the backside rear view camera. I can launch any app just like a regular tablet, like this. Let's say I want to see Google Map. I will open Google Map here. Quite a traffic today. And the more interesting part of this tablet is that I can split the screen. So if I want to split it, I will tap here. I will do this. Now I can start another app split with the maps. For example, let's say I want to see the YouTube. Where is YouTube? Yes. Yeah. So this is how the overall system looks like, and you can resize it. Like, okay, YouTube could be slower, could be this, and if you switch to the single mode, you just do this, it will cover to the single mode. Now coming to the second screen. So this is for speedometer console. There is an app called Real Dash. I will start that now. Here is the app. Here you can see the speed. Here you can see the gear, and This format is kind of app specific. So just like any tablet, we have multiple themes in this kind of app. So for example, this is the interface I like the best, so that I have keep it like this. And if I want to switch to the other interface, so you can see that, yeah, here it is, the another interface can come up, and you can see here I can change even this. So again, gear comes here, speed comes here. Above, this is the all RPM. So, and this is the third screen. So this is basically a dash cam come rear view mirror. So there is a camera behind, and it streams the live video to the screen. So this dash cam records the front view as well as the rear view. And if you swipe it like this is the front view, this is the split view, this is rear, this is front, and this is the rear view. And the best part is of the rear view is that you can even up or down the angle, viewing angle. So let's say when the picture or when the video is fully captured, then it also captured the full frame, not only the split frame, and it also shows the number plates. Front camera is 4K, and the reverse camera is HD, full HD, is 1080p. Do let me know in comments how you like all these three setup. One more thing is that this tab is connected to the infotainment system or to the speakers through Bluetooth. This speedometer console is also detachable, so I will show you how to do that. If you pull this up, here is it. So this is my speedometer console. Oh, sorry. And this is the old one. So sometimes I need to see the fuel level and everything, the overall odometer that comes here, and this tablet just show you the current speed and gear and the RPM. First thing is that these tablets are having lithium-ion batteries, and in heat the lithium-ion batteries may expand and sometimes may explode as well if it is not properly cooled down or heat insulation is there. So if I put my car in the sun for a full day, and if it is a regular occurrence, then I have to make sure that I should not leave these tablets here. I should keep it under the seat or somehow in the shades. Okay, before I conclude the video, let me show you the few of the external modification which I have done in the first year of the car purchase. So come outside, I will let's show you. So here you can see the alloys are here, and this is completely LED lamp setup. This is main headlamps, this is fog lamp, and there is a aux as well. So aux I only use for night highway driving, and in city I use in city I use only fog and the low beam. So that's about it. So yeah, the car from outside looks like this. Thank you for watching.